We've built up a runtime that can simulate a blockchain. Now it's time to see what our state actually looks like. In this step, we'll enable debug printing for our runtime using Deriving Debug. This is your first exposure to Rust's trait system and macros, both of which are core concepts used heavily in Substrate. So what are traits and macros? In Rust, a trait is like a shared rule or capability. It defines what a type can do, like printing itself, comparing for equality, or being clonable. The debug trait, for example, allows a value to be printed in a very special way. What about derive? That's a macro, a kind of Rust code that writes code. Instead of manually implementing the debug trait for every field, you can just write derive debug. And Rust auto-generates the required code for you. Please note that a lot of these standard types already implement the debug trait. In your task, Rust won't let you print the runtime right now because runtime does not implement the debug trait. So you need to drive the debug trait here and do the same for the system palette and the balances palette, and then you should be able to print the runtime in this debuggy way.